Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to host your website on GitHub completely free. It's fast, easy, and perfect for beginners. So let's get started. First, go to github.com. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and fill in your details to create one. But I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. Now once you're logged in, click the plus icon at the top right and select New Repository. Here you can give your repository any name you like. Make sure it's set to public and check Add a README file. Then scroll down and click Create Repository. Next, upload your website files. Click on Add File, then Upload Files. Click on Choose Files, then select all your website files, HTML, CSS, images, everything you have. Once done, scroll down and click Commit Changes. Now let's publish it. Go to the Settings tab of your repository. Then scroll down and click on Pages. Here select Main Branch and click Save. Then scroll down, enter your custom domain name here and click Save. After a moment you'll see a link. Simply click on Visit Website and that's your live website. And that's it. You just hosted your website on GitHub for free in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next one.